Medux is a video AI toolbox built for practical editing tasks. In this tutorial, we'll focus on one specific feature, removing subtitles from a video, and we'll do it by letting Codex talk to Medux through MCP. Let's connect Codex to Medux through MCP. The goal is simple. Remove subtitles from a video without leaving Codex. Medux exposes the subtitle removal workflow as an MCP tool. So Codex can inspect the task, call the tool, and hand the job off cleanly. Now I'll run the request and let Codex do the setup. Once the MCP server is ready, Codex can see the Medux tools. Here I'm asking it to use Medux to remove the subtitles from the sample video. Codex prepares the command, checks the file path, and starts the process. Codex talks to Medux. Medux handles the video processing, and the workflow stays repeatable. When the run finishes, we get a clean output video back. That's the whole idea. Describe the task once, then let MCP connect Codex to the right tool. For subtitle removal, Medux becomes the specialist behind the scenes, and Codex becomes the operator that drives it from your workspace.